Welcome to another video, guys. If you're HWID banned and looking for a reliable way to get back into your favorite games without dropping hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a new PC, then you're in the right place. You need a permanent HWID spoofer that actually works. So, what's a permanent HWID spoofer? It's software that permanently changes all the unique hardware IDs on your PC, making it look like a brand new device. Now you're probably wondering, how do you pick the right one? And which is honestly the best permanent HWID spoofer out there? Well, that's exactly what this video is about. Forget testing random junk. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. I'll show you the two top permanent HWID spoofers available right now, so you don't waste money or risk malware. There's one choice for those who want the absolute best permanent HWD spoofer, and one for anyone on a tighter budget. Alright, let's dive into the two best permanent HWID spoofers available today. First up, the top spot goes to Sync.top spoofer. Sync works with almost every game and offers both temporary and permanent HWID spoofing options, so you can pick what fits your needs. Sync has been trusted for years with tons of positive reviews across forums. You'll find vouchers from 2021 all the way to just a few days ago, plus hundreds of great testimonials on Trustpilot. Let me quickly show you how to buy Sync and start using it. It's super simple. Just head to their official website, then click Get Unbanned. You'll see all the license options right there. You can switch between temporary and permanent HWID spoofer choices. Pick what you want, then click Buy Now. Enter your email and any other details, complete your payment. It's that easy. After that, you'll get an invite to their Discord and detailed instructions on what to do next. They've made payment smooth, accepting all major credit cards, crypto, and even PayPal. Quick heads up, if you use PayPal, you'll have to contact their support directly. Oh, and here's a way to grab a discount on both their permanent and temporary licenses. Use the coupon code TEMP10 for temporary spoofers and PERM10 for permanent ones. Sync is seriously affordable, and with these discounts, it's a no-brainer. Sync.top spoofer is hands down the best permanent HWID spoofer on the market right now. Next is TraceX by Slothy Tech. This one's a free permanent HWID spoofer, perfect if Sync's out of your budget. Like Sync, TraceX has been around for years and proven legit. You can get it straight from their website by entering your email or from their SourceForge page. To stay up to date, I recommend downloading it directly from their official site. Even though TraceX is free, it actually outperforms about 90% of paid permanent HWID spoofers out there. It works with basically all games. So what's the catch? Two things. First, it needs a VPN to work. So even though the spoofer is free, you'll pay around $3 a month for the recommended VPN. Second, sometimes it stops working right after a game update, and the devs need a few days to release a fix. For comparison, Sync updates within hours when issues pop up. Not a deal breaker for me. TraceX doesn't have a temporary mode. You follow their setup once, reboot your PC, and you're good. No need to redo it unless you get banned again. Both options are safe, legit, and won't expose you to scams or malware. The big question is, which one should you pick? If you've got some cash to spare, I definitely recommend Sync. It's by far the best permanent HWID spoofer right now, super user-friendly with a support team that's quick to help. Save TraceX for when Sync really isn't an option. Just remember, you'll need about $3 a month for the VPN, and their support is kinda slow. If you hit snags, your best bet is checking their YouTube comments for fixes. One last tip from me, please stop falling for scam spoofers with fake views, comments, and accounts. These scammers bounce between sites, take your money, then vanish and start fresh somewhere else. I won't name names because they're quick to file fake copyright strikes against anyone exposing them. But trust me, you can tell who they are. Always do a little research. Google the spoofer's name before you buy and see what comes up. Don't just download random stuff on your PC. It honestly breaks my heart seeing so many people get scammed or infect their computers with malware. Anyway, that wraps up the two best permanent HWID spoofers out there. Let me know which one you picked, if it worked for you, or if you ran into any issues. I'll try to answer all your questions.